Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the metal strip and confirming the precise location. You want a 10-12 mm brass or copper strip, cleaned and polished so it makes good contact and resists corrosion. This also stabilizes energy transfer. Once done, inspect the chosen site, typically the northeast or the main entrance threshold, so the strip aligns with your home's entrance axis. Make sure to measure and mark both ends, so you'll mount it straight and level when you proceed to the next step. Now secure the strip while keeping alignment precise. You position the metal strip along the marked line with the interior edge flush to the floor or threshold. A straight line maintains Vastu balance. Next, fasten using non-magnetic stainless screws or a high-strength adhesive formulated for metal-to-floor contact. Apply evenly to avoid gaps. If your building needs it, add a discrete grounding connection beneath the floor to stabilize electrical potentials. This prevents stray currents and preserves the intended energetic effect. Finish by sealing and testing. You seal the strip's edges with clear silicone to keep out moisture and ensure lasting adhesion. Once cured, check that the strip is perfectly flat and level. Then test continuity and, if applicable, the grounding connection to confirm stable electrical and energetic behavior. If you detect buzzing, discoloration, or loosening, immediately recheck the grounding and replace the strip with a higher grade, non-corroding metal. This single troubleshooting step resolves most failures and preserves the Vastu effect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.